Vince. Will you please teach me 10 words from letter C?
Of course, Odette. Odette, we are sitting in a car. C for car.
C for car.
Odette. Today is very cold.
Vince. C for cold.
Very good, Odette. C for cold.
C for car. C for cold.
Odette. This is cafe. C for cafe.
Yes. C for cafe. Whose cat is this?
I don't know. But C for cat.
C for cafe. C for cat.
Odette, you are wearing a coat.
Yeah. I got it. C for coat.
Odette. Tell me one thing from letter C which is here. Odette. C for cup.
Yes. C for cup.
Odette. What is on your left?
Yes, yes. C for cake. What is here?
C for chocolate.
Yes. C for chocolate.
C for cow. And
C for cock.
nice, Odette.